Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys section. Dear students, here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher. I would like to discuss the format of letter and allocation of marks. Letter writing is very important and it requires a lot of expertise so that you may get good marks. So let's start. You will write examination hall, comma, city A, B, C. And you may see there are full stops after capital A, B and C. Actually this A, B, C represents the city. As it is an examination letter, you are not supposed to expose your city. So you will write only city A, B, C. It is called sender's address. Actually it is your address. You are not supposed to expose the identity. That's why you write examination hall, city ABC. Sender's address carries 1 mark. Then comes the date. Try to follow the same format of the date. May 20, 2020. And you see that there is no full stop here and you are not supposed to put a full stop here. Date carries 1 mark. Then you will skip a line and write my dear Ali. You may write the name of your choice. You may write the name of your friend. It is just for your guidance, my dear Ali. But keep it in mind that my M of my will be capital, D of dear will be small, and name proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Then comma. It is called salutation and salutation carries 1 mark. Then comes the most important part of the letter. That is called body of the letter. And body of the letter consists of 3 parts. Number 1, introduction. In this part of the letter, you begin with the main content of the letter. The main content of the letter should be so clear and polite that it should get the attention of the recipient. Then number 2, specific details. It does not have any fixed number of length. You should give the information regarding the topic in detail. Specific details are written in this part of the letter. I would say that this is the most important part of the letter. The whole letter revolves around this part of specific details. Then comes number 3, conclusion. In this part of the letter, you should successfully summarize the entire contents of the letter. You may thank the recipient for some favor or express your hope if you want his favor in future. So this is called body. As there are 3 parts, so your body of the letter must at least have 3 parts, 3 paragraphs, and you can go beyond 3 paragraphs as well. So body of the letter carries 6 marks. Then comes the last part of the letter. You may start with best wishes, yours sincerely XYZ. Keep it in mind. Certain students write comma on yours. It is not required. If you do so, khuda na khasta, you will deduct your mark. Then XYZ. These are letters. Actually XYZ refers to your name and signatures. As it is an examination letter, as I told you in the beginning of the lecture, you are not supposed to expose your identity. So you will not write your name. You will just write XYZ. The format that I have presented today is called American format, in which the letterhead and the last part of the that is called complementary clause is on the left side. It is called complementary clause and signatures, and complementary clause and signatures carries 1 mark. So as a whole, the whole letter carries 10 marks. Dear students, if you follow the complete format along with punctuation marks correctly, you will get very good marks. Normally 1 mark is deducted up to metric level and 2 marks are deducted in intermediate level. Why these marks are deducted? as it is said that it is literature, and in literature there is always room for improvement. You know, it is not a mathematical formula that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So there is always room for improvement. So keep on working hard, keep on brushing up your English and style to get very good marks. That's all of today's lecture. If you have any problem, if you have any question, you may contact me in the comment box. Thank you very much.